Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. Fountain, and I will be your instructor for Journalism 101. Right now, I just want to go over with you how to navigate my course on the Schoology platform. Okay, so you should see your name right here. As you scroll down, you'll see my Bitmoji Classroom. The first thing I want to show you is my email here that you can use to contact me over coursework or your grade. The email is adfountain@mcpss.com. Under that, you'll see where it says Join Me on Google Meets. You can click that. It will take you directly to Google Meets. It may look a little different because it's set up different for teachers and students. So you will simply click Join a Classroom. And then you will put in this code here, Yearbook 101. This is all lowercase, and you can use that for the remainder of the semester. Lastly, in the laptop here, you'll see an icon for Microsoft Teams. You can click on that, and it will prompt you to download it. I already have it downloaded. That's why it's asking me to open it. But I urge you to download this onto your phone or device that you use regularly, because when I ask you to take pictures for the yearbook, it'll be a lot easier to just upload them onto Microsoft Teams from your phone. Any pictures that will be in the yearbook have to be approved by me, so that's why we will upload those pictures into Microsoft Teams for approval. After that, each week you will have your coursework set up, so you can simply go by day, or if you want to get it done before that, that's completely fine with me. But you'll see all your work lined up for the week, along with notes and all that other good stuff. And that's about it as far as navigating my course. Good luck.